All right, guys, so it's prologue day. Yesterday we got to run a couple hot laps, was feeling pretty good. Today we actually got to do some timed hot laps, which put us in a starting position for this afternoon, evening for the main prologue race. I was riding pretty conservatively. I rode pretty well, but was hoping for a stronger finish. Actually ended up 27th, was hoping for top 15, so didn't quite hit my mark, but just got to give it all I can tonight and hopefully, at least get in the top 20. As long as you're in the top 20, going into day one and healthy and ready to make moves, you're ready for the long haul. And I mean, that's what's important, is being healthy and getting a decent finish today and moving on to the off-road days. So the prologue course consisted of a series of rocks, logs, railroad tracks, and actually walls that you can actually jump onto. I felt pretty good through almost everything. The wall ride, I didn't feel super confident, so I actually rolled it today, but I might have to jump it tonight. We'll have to see what happens, hopefully make up some spots. It's not a super technical course. There's definitely a lot of places you can jump and some other rock and tire areas where you're definitely dabbing every now and then and trying to find the nice smooth line through it. Tomorrow starts off-road day number 1. Really excited. I think all the other racers are too. This prologue is something that just puts us in our starting position. All right, so prologue, roughest race I've ever had in my life. Just started out with trying to pass people in the tires and rocks and got sucked into a hole, and man, I went over the bars and it was just really hard to make up any time after that. I think I was getting faster lap by lap, but I ended up wrecking again. But I did do the wall, which was cool. So that's one up, but I'm healthy and not hurt, so that's good. And just need to focus on the off-road days now and try to make up a lot of spots in the mountains and where I'm comfortable riding. So excited, should be a good time.